There are people who shape moments, and there are those who shape movements. Stephanie L. Young is a force at the intersection of culture, community, and democracy. For nearly 2 decades, she's held pivotal roles at the very heart of American public life, serving in the Obama White House, making waves on Capitol Hill, and most recently as senior advisor to Vice President Kamala Harris.
Hello, everyone. I'm Valerie Jarrett. I have had the pleasure of knowing Stephanie Young for over a decade. We worked closely together in the White House under President Obama. I chair the board of Civic Nation and watched her flourish as she ran When We All Vote. And I was so proud looking at the amazing way in which she advised Vice President Harris when she worked in the White House. Every step along the way, Stephanie has knocked it out of the park in terms of her accomplishments. I am so proud of her, and I'm delighted that Hampton University, her alma mater, has chosen to honor her. So congratulations, Stephanie, and I can't wait to see what you do next.
As executive director of When We All Vote, Stephanie just didn't talk about change, she mobilized it. Under her leadership, over 500,000 voters were registered, igniting a wave of civic energy across the nation.
Hi, my name is Angela Rye, and I am so thrilled to be celebrating my dear friend Stephanie Young, who's also like a little sister to me, but if you ask her, she'd probably say she's the boss, even though I was the one who was her boss on Capitol Hill when we worked for the Congressional Black Caucus. So from the CBC to the President Obama's campaign to working for Steny Hoyer to, of course, running When We All Vote as its executive director, Steph always transforms every single space that she goes into. The world is just a better place with you in it. There's not a single project that you touch that isn't so much better. I'm so grateful that every single day you labor for the culture, for our people, for this country, for the world, to make it a better place.
But Stephanie's power lies not just in her titles or triumphs. It's in her unwavering belief that every voice matters. Her gift is her ability to listen, to lead, and to inspire. A trusted strategist, a fearless communicator, a magnetic presence in every room, especially the rooms that weren't built for her. A devoted wife, a nurturing mother, and always a tireless advocate for justice, representation, and community.
What makes her the most special, I think, is her commitment to us, her commitment to community, her commitment to wanting to make a true social impact in everything that she does. I had such a great pleasure working with her during When We All Vote, and just her passion and focus about getting people out to vote is unmatched. And I just thank you, Stephanie, for being such a shining light, for always being there when I need you. I hope I've been there when you have needed me, for just being so gracious and for caring, really, really caring for everyone.
Stephanie L. Young doesn't just build community, she is community. And her work reminds us all, democracy doesn't begin and end at the ballot box. It lives in our voices, our choices, and in the people bold enough to lead us forward.